Oh.
Okay, we are looking for the cork. Pete's looking for the cork.
Oh, that's his ass.
He's messing. The fish is actually teasing Pete at this point. Okay, Pete is going after the cork. Slowly. All right, Pete's hand is going. That's right. Pete has hand wrestled a redfish in. Okay? That's great. Pete has caught it. Okay, very impressive.
Hey, you guys.
Yes.
We all live to be 100. We're gonna remember this one.
Exactly.
You damn right. You taking pictures?
I'm taking video.
Video. Look at that.
Don't kiss it.
Strip, bro.
Do not kiss it, Pete.
Somebody pass here, they're gonna think we totally. They ain't gonna stop. They're fucking guys. I don't know what kind of drugs they on.
They're drinking. They're going to call the wildlife and fisheries and go, these guys have got to be drinking. All right, Pete, he's going to hand it to you. You want the net?
Look, look, look.
Oh, my God, that's beautiful. He hand wrestled a redfish into the boat.
That's right.
Very proud.
Who
Okay.
needs bait?
Just eat Pete.
All right. Well, we've got it for posterity, it looks like.